The best pasta recipe I've ever had. I will start by adding 200 grams of pasta in a pan, water until covered, then a teaspoon of salt and let it cook. Coming up on this point, let's leave it at rest. Now let's add olive oil in a pan, and then a chopped onion, and let it warm up for a while. Then add 4 cloves of chopped garlic and stir well to sauté the garlic and onion. Mix the ingredients well, and arrange the pan well for us to put the next ingredients. Done this, I will add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and I will stir again until it reaches the right consistency. Now I will add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of chili peppers, and I will stir everything very well so that all the ingredients mix and aggregate. Then I'll add 50 milliliters of water and mix it again. This recipe will surprise you. Then 50 milliliters of milk and 200 grams of sour cream, then I will mix once more. Tell me if you have any different recipe of pasta, I would love to know. I'm sure as soon as you taste it, it'll become routine in your home as well. My friends always ask me to teach how to make this recipe, so amazing that the result is. Finally, I will add 150 grams of mozzarella and a tablespoon of butter, and again I will mix. This recipe has become routine here at home. To finish, I will add the cooked pasta and I will mix one last time. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Sharifa Khan from New York. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Done, this is ready our recipe. Look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. This recipe is simply amazing and delicious. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. To spice up your dish, you can also add some parsley. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.